What is up, everybody? Well, today I am working on Sunrader. Today's project is I'm actually updating the stereo. This is the old one, and well, it's in a CD player. Oh, it's been refurbished. It's fancy. It doesn't work anymore. When I first bought this Sunrader, it stopped working. Actually, it didn't work even when I did get the Sunrader. So, this thing's been dead for a little while. I was going to update it. Downfall with paying somebody to do your stereo systems, it gets really expensive. Average cost to do a stereo system or have a company do it's like $500. And honestly, it's not as complicated as everybody makes it out to be. It's a lot of wires, but they're color coordinated, and instructions are straight to the point. And so I'll show you what I'm doing right now. And this is the original center console panel for this, and I modified this updated Bluetooth player for it. I had to do some cutting because it will not fit, but I got it to work, and I got all the wires cut for it, and it actually came out really nice. So that is a project now. I just tested all the wires and I actually plugged this in before putting everything back. So if you are going to do a stereo, test it before you bolt everything up. Make sure your power cords are good. Make sure fuses are good. I did not have any power to begin with, and I traced it back to a wire that wasn't even connected to the battery. So just double check that before you bolt everything on. But the sound is awesome. I mean, I'm still running the same speakers from 1984 in here, as well as the rear speakers. I have no clue when they were ever updated, if they were updated at all. But I tested it, and it sounds awesome, and it's Bluetooth, so it's kind of a nice thing to have. But I'll get everything bolted up and show you what it looks like installed, and we can go from there. So here is the updated harness that came with the new stereo, and obviously I've cleaned it up and have spliced in the new wires. I'm not a huge fan of these, whoever did this before, but they work. I've never been a big fan of these connectors, but honestly it works. I actually prefer these style because if you pinch them right, they hold, and it's just a lot cleaner. However, I'm not going to disconnect everything and reconnect it because I already verified that it works and everything seems to be pretty stout. So that is your plug, and then this obviously plugs into the receiver. Alright, well, moment of truth of the stereo works. Well, it works. Awesome. I'm stoked. And that is updating the Sunrader's stereo from who knows when. And I'm pretty stoked how it came out. Fits flush, and it looks great, and it's solid. It's not going anywhere. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and more videos to come on the Sunrader project.